Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Odisha Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. In a huge jolt for the BJP, its All India Vice President Mukul Roy quit the party and returned Friday to the Trinamool Congress. Roy had left the TMC and joined the BJP in 2017. However, he said he could not just adjust to the policies of the BJP. A member of the CPI Maoist was killed in an encounter with security personnel in Bargarh district Friday morning. The skirmish between the two sides took place in a forest near Bhanjagunda in Padampur area of the district, Odisha DGP Abhay said. The Supreme Court said Friday that the order to close proceedings against two Italian sailors, Massimiliano Lattore and Salvatore Gironi, will be past June 15. They have been accused in the killing of two Kerala fishermen in February 2012. After a respite for a day, fuel prices were again hiked Friday by state-run oil companies across India. Petrol rose by 29 paise per litre, while for diesel it was 28 paise per litre. This is the 22nd increase in fuel prices since May 1. Odisha registered 5,235 new cases of COVID-19 infection in the last 24 hours, a health department official said Friday. It is a slight decrease than the 6,097 cases reported Thursday. The state also reported 43 more new fatalities, taking the toll to 3,210. Gandhian Padma Shri awardee and former Information Commissioner of Odisha, Professor Radha Mohan, breathed his last at a private hospital in Bhubaneswar Friday morning. He was 87. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik described Professor Radha Mohan's demise as a great loss to the state. Congress and other parties staged protests in various parts of India against the steep rise in fuel prices. They demanded a rollback on the rates. 30 youth Congress workers were detained in Delhi during the protests. Legendary actor Dilip Kumar, who was undergoing treatment for breathlessness, was released from the hospital Friday. He was in the ICU for 5 days. Double Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar's police custody has been extended to June 25 by a Delhi court. The wrestler was arrested by the police May 23 for his alleged involvement in the murder of junior wrestler Sagar Dhankar. Opener Shikhar Dhawan will lead a 20-member India A team for a white ball series against Sri Lanka starting July 13. India will play 3 ODIs and 3 T20 internationals. All the matches will be played in Colombo. There are 6 newcomers in the side that also have Hardik Pandya. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Odisha Post Live.